Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP data types. So while programming in ABAP, we need to use a variety of variables to store various information. So variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory. You may like to store information of various data types like a character, integer, floating point, etc. And based on the data type of a variable, the operating system allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. Elementary data types. So ABAP offers the programmer a rich assortment of fixed length as well as variable length data types. So the ABAP elementary data types are type byte field keyword X, text field C, integer I, floating point F, packed number P, text string string. Some of the fields and numbers can be modified using one or more names as byte, numeric, character like. So the table shows the data type and how much memory it takes to store the value in memory, and the minimum and maximum value that could be stored in such a type of variables. Type X, typical length 1 byte, C 1 character, N numeric text field 1 character, D character type like date 8 characters, T character like time 6 characters, I 4 bytes, F 8 bytes, P 8 bytes, string variable any alphanumeric characters, and X string byte string variable any byte values 00 to FF. So the character string of type C with a predefined length, and string is a data type that can be used for any character string of variable length text string. And type string data objects should generally be used for character like content where fixed length is not important. The data type is used for storage of date information and can store 8 digits. Date data type. Complex and reference types. The complex types are classified into structure types and table types. So in the structure types, elementary types and structures, that is, structure embedded in a structure, are grouped together, and you may consider only the grouping of elementary types, but you must be aware of the availability of nesting of structures. When the elementary types are grouped together, the data item can be accessed as a grouped data item or the individual elementary data items. Structure fields can be accessed. And the table types are better known as arrays in other programming languages, and arrays can be symbol or structure arrays. In ABAP, arrays are called internal tables, and they can be declared and operated upon in many ways when compared to other programming languages. So the parameters according to which internal tables are characterized: line or row type. Row of an internal table can be of elementary, complex, or reference type. Key specifies a field or group of fields as a key of an internal table that identifies the table rows, and a key contains the fields of elementary types. Access method describes how ABAP programs access individual table entries. Reference types are used to refer to instances of classes, interfaces, and runtime data items, and the ABAP runtime type services RTTS enables declaration of data items at runtime. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP data types, and we will be discussing more on SAP ABAP in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.